like Lord of the Rings. Why do we love
Yeah.
movies like that? Because they're based on a truth that we know deep inside. We know about the human archetype,
Mm-hmm.
us, versus our spiritual nature and our relationship to the world of spirit versus material and the world of darkness.
Yeah.
So we already know it. So that's why we're so engaged, but we have to bring it into our everyday life,
Mm-hmm.
you know,
Mm-hmm.
which was, that was the story of Cinderella. People have it all wrong. Cinderella. That's
Oh,
a
same way.
900 BC story from China, but we've made it into a whole thing. But for women, it's particularly a women's story. But so it's about the unity of soul and spirit. So she meets the prince, and it's fabulous in that magical time. But at midnight, it's all going to change.
Exactly.
So she has to run away. So she understands this in her dream world, and say a woman in her psyche, but not in her everyday life. So it can be a movie, it can be Lord of the Rings. We see ourselves in all those characters, even the
Mm-hmm.
creepy ones,
Mm-hmm.
but we don't make that leap to bring it into everyday life. So only when she tries that qigong in her real life, she brings that connection with spirit. And so into her real life, her everyday material waking existence, then she's made the union. Then she's gotten the
That's
spiritual marriage.
powerful. So that's really the marriage between herself and her spirit, her human self and her spirit.